Right, out in the woods again for the first time in far too long, and the plan today is to cook up something really nice and tasty. Yeah, another episode of Campfire Cooking, so without further ado, let's get into it. It's been a while. I am rusty, but my aim is to get back out into nature, do a lot more filming, a lot more different trips this spring and summer, so I'm feeling good. Back, hopefully back on my A game, and apart from stumbling, yeah, hopefully try and get out on a few more trips and bring you some more content soon. Right, and guys, time to cook up some Lebanese style shawarma flatbreads. 100% lamb mince, loads of seasoning. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, all cooked up on the Bushbox XL. It's a glorious day as well, absolutely beautiful today, so yeah, dead pleased with that. Let's fire up this bush box and get some grub on. Just getting fully synthetic at the minute, and I know I'm cooking so it's not great, but all of this wax will burn off before I start putting any food on there. It's just a quick and simple way of getting it going in it, so I don't care. Easy as that. Shop bought flatbreads, unfortunately, but you'll just have to trust me when I say that the actual lamb koftas are completely homemade. I've done it all with my own lamb mince, just trust me, okay? These are not shop bought. My own seasoning, and yeah, it's going to be amazing. Look at that lamb. It's insane. Got my flatbread, lettuce, get that meat on there. And then I've also got some whipped feta, garlic sort of dip, and fried up peppers as well, marinated peppers. So that should be amazing. Look at that. It's so good. Yes, mate. This is it. That is flame grilled. It's on fire. This is it, mate. This is the one. This is how I'm supposed to be spending my weekends and my time off. And this is it. This is the one. This is who I'm supposed to be. False alarm, mate. We know who we are again. We know who we are again. Show you this lamb though, because it's actually insane. It's completely on the wonk. Hopefully she boils and we get a brew. It's a small, not so soft Hamish. A small, not so soft Hamish. Poor little guy. Bags down there. Left no trace packed away, just waiting for all those embers to die down and then have a brew. Back in the game. Back once again for the Renegade Master, D4 Damager. Whew. That's made me a little bit happy, can you tell? So good to be back out in the woods. So good. I'm planning some ultra lightweight multi-day hikes soon. I know, right? I'm not moving away from bushcraft and just doing that solely. I know how unfit I am and I want to get back to baseline fitness. And also, there's so much of like the Lake District, the Peak District, Wales, Scotland, Skye, Shetland, all these different wonderful, glorious bits of wilderness in the UK that I haven't really ventured and I haven't seen. I've been to some of those places, you know, I've been to Wales quite a bit, I've been to the Peak District, I've been to the Lake District, but I've been to Scotland, I've been up in the Highlands, I've walked around Loch Ness, but there's still so much of it, untouched wilderness, that I want to get out and see before it's too late for me to see. So yeah, this summer I'm going to be planning some multi-day hikes and some lightweight camping, believe it or not. So stepping out of the bushcraft world and into the gram counter world. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I shall bring you some nice views, hopefully. And yeah, it's just so good to be back out. So good to be back out. I just want to say thank you as well to everyone that's stuck with the channel. I know that I haven't been consistent, but a big, big thank you to everyone that stuck around, you know, supported the channel, kept watching. And yeah, what has it been now, like 6 years? So if you've been here since the very beginning, thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you know. As I say, it's not all for the likes and the views and, you know, the growth of the channel, but it does mean a lot. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you for sticking around and sticking with it, even when I've not been very good at staying consistent or not good up there. So a big thank you to each and every one of you who supported the channel over the last 6 years. let's go and find somewhere to throw myself into some cold water. Absolutely no trace left as always, so I was sat here cooking up on here, no trace, it's all good, just my bag. Always respect your surroundings. Respect your surroundings. Yeah. It's just such a glorious day as well. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. So I'm just gonna hike now, find a body of water, probably go back to my usual river spot, and yeah, get in that drink. Right, let's see how overgrown this place is. It's not looking too bad. I'm looking forward to getting in the drink. There she is. Let's get in. Yes. Oh, that's so good. Right guys, I'm going to call it there. That's been amazing. I had to wait a little while because there were some other swimmers that wanted to come in, and I just didn't want to point a camera in people's faces, you know. So yeah, it's getting a little bit darker now, so that's it. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a little like below. Don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, I will see you on the next video.